Today, I am going to share with you a very special remedy: natural keratin for straightening hair. This treatment is completely homemade, chemical-free, and safe. If you are tired of salon visits or expensive products that damage your hair in the long run, then this remedy is for you. It will not just make your hair straight temporarily, but it will actually help in improving your hair's texture and smoothness. Many people call it the most powerful natural keratin for straightening curly hair because it really works wonders on frizzy, wavy, or unruly hair. For preparing this treatment, we need just 2 carrots. Carrots are inexpensive and easily available in almost every kitchen, which makes this recipe very convenient. The first step is to peel these carrots properly so that they are clean and ready to use. After peeling, cut them into small pieces. Cutting into small chunks makes it easier to grind them and extract all the nutrients. Now, why are we using carrots? The reason is simple. Carrots contain vitamin A, a nutrient that conditions your scalp, nourishes the hair roots, and strengthens the strands. Along with this, carrots also improve the overall strength of your hair. Regular use makes your hair thicker, shinier, and much more manageable. So this one simple ingredient has multiple benefits. Now that we have chopped the carrots, put these pieces into a grinder. To make blending easier, add 1 cup of water into the grinder. Then grind everything properly until it forms a smooth mixture. Once the grinding is done, it's time to filter. Filter the mixture with the help of a clean cotton cloth. This step is important because we only want the juice, not the pulp. By doing this, we extract pure carrot juice, full of nutrients, and ready to be used in our keratin mixture. Now, to this carrot juice, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well until it dissolves. Cornstarch may sound simple, but it is extremely beneficial. It's a fantastic volumizer that adds thickness without weighing your hair down. It also works amazingly on dull and frizzy hair, giving it life and smoothness. For better consistency, now add another tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it again carefully, making sure there are no lumps. The smoother the mixture, the better it will work on your hair. Next step. Put the mixture in a saucepan. Turn on the gas and put it on a very low flame. Remember, the flame should always be low, otherwise the mixture might burn or thicken too quickly. Now keep stirring. Stir it constantly without stopping, because this step decides the final texture. With patience and gentle stirring, you will soon notice that the mixture is becoming creamy. When you get this nice creamy texture, turn off the flame immediately. Let the mixture cool down a little bit so it's comfortable to handle. To ensure the mixture is extra smooth, filter it again to remove any lumps. Now the keratin base is ready. This quantity is perfect for one use. If you want, you can prepare a larger batch and store it in the refrigerator for a few days. Just make sure it's kept in an airtight container. To make this mixture even more nourishing, add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft and keeps it moisturized. Next, add a tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that soften and strengthen the hair. Mix everything really well so all the ingredients blend into a smooth, natural keratin cream. Now let's learn how to use this natural keratin. Comb your hair and divide it into several sections. Working in sections ensures that every strand gets proper treatment. Then, apply this keratin mixture generously to each section of your hair, from roots to tips. Once applied, cover your hair with a plastic cap or a shower cap. This will trap some warmth, allowing the mixture to penetrate deeper into your hair strands. Leave this keratin on your hair for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, wash your hair with water only, without using shampoo. This way, the natural oils and nutrients stay in your hair. And here comes the magic. You will notice straight and silky hair from the very first use. Your hair will transform from frizzy and coarse to smooth and shiny. And with regular use, the results will last much longer. For the best and permanent results, repeat this recipe 2 times a week. With consistency, you will see your hair becoming naturally straight, soft, and strong. If you found this remedy useful, please click on the like button and support the channel. So this was a homemade recipe for hair straightening. It is especially good for people struggling with frizzy hair. And the best part is, this is the best natural keratin you can prepare at home without any chemicals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another natural beauty remedy.